huge freight train passing right now. It's very fast. I'm scared to go out there. Alright, there goes the view of it. Thank God, that was like hell. Oh God. I'd say that would have been doing about 110 Ks. Woo! Man, that was... I had to put these in real quick, as I always do. Shit. That was loud, and it was fast. I could hear it all the way up at like Minda River, because I'm currently at Paterson. There's 707. Very loud. One of the loudest freight trains I've ever heard in my life. And the leading loco was a GT46. And I always know that they're the loud locos. And second one was a C44 ACI, which... And they're okay. I prefer them than the GT46. So yeah, I'll give you a pan of the area. Then I'll wrap up the video. Thank you for watching, and